All right, once you've got all the pieces shaped, you're ready to assemble it, okay? So you'll need, this is, the first part's with the linkage, we didn't put any glue. Okay, some of you may have put some hot glue on the ends to keep it from falling apart, okay? I would recommend doing that. This one, you're gonna actually use wood glue for this because this, we want the claws to be on there permanently. Okay, so we're gonna start on the left. I wanna have one of the claws on the bottom. There'll be a spacer piece on the top and then the other claw on the top. All of this is gonna get glued together. So I wanna put some glue on this surface. I want some on this surface. And I want some on this surface. I also wanna put glue around this dowel. Bless you. Okay, so now we're gonna put this together. So the dowel goes through, this claw will go on the bottom, the spacer will go on the top. Oops, I put the glue on the wrong side of the claw. Okay, and then you're gonna repeat the same process for the other side.